Danny here. Queen Glitter Chaos. More schmoo with DD Speech Out. On our, actually only first trip of the night to Canadian Tire.
I've only been home for an hour.
What did we need to get?
A little rod.
Ah. What for?
Your new air filter.
Wait. You're putting an air filter on something?
I'll be out driving in the rain, maybe. It was either that or make a hood scoop.
I can't believe you're putting an air filter on something.
No, you know, a change, man.
What brought this on? Are you just trying to be better? Are you, wait. Are you actually listening to the people?
What people? F the people.
Stop. Have you guys noticed that on More Schmoo, I feel like we get a little more of the real Dan.
I love it. I can't get in trouble. It's a you problem.
Speaking of it's a me problem, to clear it up, because there were lots of comments on a video many videos back. So this More Schmoo is like the channel I've always had, but just now it's more focused around my favorite person in the whole wide world. That's you.
Do you want this shitty Edelbrock lid that I put a bunch of DD Speech stickers on because I hate Edelbrock? Or do you want these ones?
No, I want the DD Speech Shop Edelbrock one.
Okay. I'll take the best air filters we have in stock.
The ones that were sitting on top of the microwave on those carbs for literally a year?
The microwave carburetors.
Yeah, the microwave carburetors. I hate that when you ask me to go inside and get the microwave carburetors. I knew exactly what you're talking about. I knew exactly where they were.
Well, in everyone's defense, I mean, we only have the one set of carburetors in the microwave. If there was two sets...
In not everyone's defense, we have two microwaves.
But only one set of microwave carburetors.
One microwave for holding carburetors, the other microwave for holding snacks.
If you don't put a carburetor in a microwave, are you even a hot rodder?
Not in a microwave, on a microwave.
Yeah, they're on. It looks like a hot rod.
Yeah, the hot rodded microwave.
Hot rod microwave.
And what else did you do? Because you're leaving right away.
I don't know what I did.
So it's final. It's kind of final checks right now.
Yeah, we're just kind of rolling through it, giving her a once over.
You leave in like 5 days. How do you feel about that?
I both wish I could leave sooner and later at the same time. Because the longer it takes, the more I just screw around and wait and check things, and versus just put the rear end gear in and go. We're waiting on the radiator. That's something I'm getting a little stressed out about. Nice to have that, but otherwise, pretty well ready. Oh, where do you want this thing? We could put it further back, I guess.
Oh, well, let's see. I feel like I have to look at it from an angle.
Yeah, that way, that might just fit.
That'd be all right. So we're gonna take the stacks with us still though, so that if we want to like do a quick change up the look and the style, we can. Because I like both. Both look really good. What one do you guys prefer? Do you guys prefer the stacks or do you prefer the bird catcher? What one do you like better?
I like stacks.
But this was less work.
Well, no, well, yeah. Yes, no, the stack. We need to put something else on the stacks or make some sort of scoop or whatever, because we're going to be gone for a while and we're going to hit rain, and then this thing's going to sit for months. So if we just had the velocity stacks, that would just be like a funnel of water into the motor, which is like...
I hear that's not good.
Not the plan.
And then you also, oh boy.
Oh, you just cut that off. It might actually work.
Just cut off a little square.
We need to come out just a little bit on the front.
Yeah.
But that's probably... I think that's the best. That's the best amount of kind of look and stuff. We just take 1 inch off the front. I'll zip this off and we'll tack it so it's wide open, because that's when it looks cool anyways.
Why would you close it? Like for rain or what?
So what happens?
You don't think it looks cool closed or like kind of closed?
Well, the problem is that's what lets the air in.
Oh, so you have to have it open.
Yeah. So the idea is, it's closed at idle, and there's supposed to be some linkage, and then wax it open.
Oh.
But we don't have that option right now.
That didn't come with the current model we have?
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know if we could make something work there.
That feels like it's not worth it.
Probably could do something, but
Well, I guess, yeah, how does that work with the side carb?
that's the problem. Is on front and back carburetors, you just put like a little rod on it, because I did that.
It'd be
on,
just like your throttle linkage almost.
Yeah, it's a rod that as you hook it to the bottom of the linkage, so as you pull back on the carburetor, the bottom goes up. It just pushes this up. And it's pretty simple. I think I have the piece somewhere. It's just carburetor linkage, but the sideways carburetors makes it difficult.
Can we all pause for a moment and just be very impressed by the fact that I understood carburetor linkage and what it did? Because I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm shocked at the knowledge I just exuded. Also today you did the jets. What did you do with the jets?
I put smaller main jets in.
Why?
I was running rich at hard throttle.
And running rich is when it's getting too much fuel.
Too much gasoline.
Like your girl's learning. I told you I would learn about my car, and I'm learning.
Can we just eyeball this or what?
Oh God, let's do it.
Eyeball cut it. Everything under here we don't worry about. We're okay. My goggles.
Safety glasses. Are they hanging up next door?
Well, I had them out because I was cutting something somewhere. That's a disaster in here.
Hmm. I don't see any.
No.
Just close your eyes real good.
That's for aiming.
Because that's not going to light on fire.
Fire's fine. It drove sturdy metal in the motor, that's the problem. Where am I? I have muffs and everything. In the car.
Oh. Yeah, look at that.
Look at that.
See, you're somewhat organized. You just forget when you organize yourself.
Alright, put my Danielle muffs on.
Hey.
Ah, peaceful. Alright, eyeballing it.
Schmind. Pretty sure you got some sparks on my beautiful Kia. What did the Kia do to deserve that?
Parked in my driveway.
It don't belong here.
Okay. So that and that.
Do you need this?
Did that go on the front or the back? I think I got it on the front, right? We hit I trim this so it would fit at some point or something. Okay, that.
Do you need to like blow those out?
What's that?
The air filters? Well, they just look, they look like they've already filtered the air. What are you, oh, this one? Turn this bitch up.
Fine.
Yeah.
I'll buy new air filters, promise.
I feel like that was a lie.
No. Never. Okay, why isn't this going in?
So that's what just holds everything in?
The hell can the entire all thread? Yeah, just a little bit of a long bolt. I'm struggling. There we go.
Righty tighty lefty loosey?
A little burr on it.
Oh,
I like
that's
these
smart.
better than I like these better than this velocity sex. The velocity sex, I always worry the nut's gonna fall
Into the
motor.
Yeah.
This is on top. So I always like that a little bit better.
Are you gonna cover them again or no?
Wash your eyes. We got air filters on them now.
Oh, okay.
So they filter the air. Whoa.
I'm aghast. So then after this, what's left?
Tonight?
In general, I guess.
I got to change rear end. I haven't done that yet. Joe has to finish painting. And then we're waiting on the radiator. And then I guess just little odds and ends. I got a lot of the USBs and stuff like that hooked up.
Oh, you hooked those up already?
Yeah.
Nice.
I heard like a little Bluetooth speaker deal. I was going to see if I can hardwire that in versus having to screw with it too much.
Oh, that'd be nice.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I guess usually I control all that for you.
And then I was going to grab the phone holders and whatnot from the Nomad.
Yeah.
I'm going to try and maybe get the heater to work.
You think you're gonna need the heater to work?
Well, defrost is always nice to have, right? Right on the glass.
Right on the glass. You know, you should really take better care of this thing. Okay, you know what though? Here's the thing. This is my car. I don't want you just putting your Nomad dents in it.
Okay.
Look at that. Mint.
How's that? Does it have to go further back? How is it going to open? Might be a little point. You want to grab those?
Those being what?
Everything on the hood?
Oh.
No, the hood?
Oh, on the hood. That wasn't the hood. Let's see. Alright.
So that'll work. Let's just go any further back. We'll zip that off real quick, and we'll get our tack weld all over wide open.
Oh, she rubs a little at the back there.
No, that's not too bad.
Just a tick.
I think it's fine. hardware in there? Where did I put it? Where's the bag of stuff?
I don't know. In my defense, you covered it.
My defense. This is kind of dumb though. I don't like this.
Oh, you have to go like. Well, that's hard to see, hey?
Yes, it's a friggin' disaster.
You gotta really know where the hole is.
6 or 8 of them. Shooting in the dark.
Hey, do you need me to hand you some nuts?
Those are bolts, dummy.
Well, sometimes they need nuts to go on the other end of them. How can I make my favorite joke if you're not using the tool I need you to use?
Sorry. Come out at a different time, maybe. What is going on here? I'm not gonna lose it.
Man, this really reminds me of something.
Success.
I can't quite place what it is.
I'm getting there.
You know, that too, that phrase. It all sounds familiar.
Well, if you'd give me a fucking... Maybe I need a light. Turn the light on. Oh, there we go.
Well, sweet. I guess we should let you get back to work, hey?
Oh, that would be fantastic.
I mean, technically we didn't stop you from working.
Well, I didn't stop working, even though you tried to stop me.
When did I try to stop you?
Every day of my life.
That's false.
What is going on? Can you see anything? Am I anywhere near it?
Yeah, you were really close.
Story of my life.
Yeah. All right. Well, we'll leave you to your screwing.
Have a good weekend.
That's it, that's all. I'm Danny, he's Dan. This is more shmoo. More shmoo. More shmoo.
Is that a video you think?
Yeah.
Posting that unedited pile of garbage?
Yeah.
For these people to watch?
I think so.
They're gonna watch 2 ads?
I think you guys will. Thanks for hanging out. We'll see you on the next one. Like, share, subscribe. Bye. Hey.